If you've ever downloaded a file in Google Chrome and then couldn't figure out where it went, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your downloads in Google Chrome in just a few seconds. This is super helpful if you want to check a recent file, reopen something you downloaded earlier, or simply keep track of what Chrome has saved on your computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to make sure the browser is fully loaded before moving to the next step. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You should see the three vertical dots icon, which is the main menu button for Chrome. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to many browser features and settings, including your browsing history, settings, extensions, and downloads. From the list of options, click Downloads. As soon as you select it, Chrome will open the Downloads page where you can see a list of files you've recently downloaded. From here, you can review your downloaded items, open the file directly, or locate it on your device depending on what you need. This is the fastest way to check your Chrome downloads without searching through folders manually. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.